Now, caste in politics. We see various forms of caste in politics. First, while choosing candidates, all the political parties keep in mind the composition of electorate and put up the candidates from different caste groups. While governments are formed, all the caste members, all the representatives of different caste groups have place in it. Second thing, the people are emotionally blackmailed on the name of the caste. During election campaign, parties make appeal on the name of the caste, and some parties are known to take favor of particular caste. Then universal adult franchisee, all have voting right, all poor or illiterate. So parties try to gain maximum votes during elections. But elections are not won on the basis of caste only in India. How? You have seen that many times the party which is in power, it may be thrown out by the people. There are so many instances on which basis we can say that elections in our country are not won on the basis of caste only. See, one by one, no clear majority of a single caste. Out of 543 constituency, not a single constituency has the clear majority of a single caste. So a candidate needs the votes of other than his own caste members, right? There are some constituencies where you will find no candidates of your own caste. It also may happen that in some constituency there are more than one candidates of your own caste. In that case, you will vote on the basis of previous performances of the party. And people are today politically aware, so they know the value of one vote. So no political party is permanent winner and permanent loser in our democracy. So in our country, elections are not won only on the basis of caste system.